So today's video is about stamps and puncher sets as an incentive for kids' school. So as you can see, I have this punch set that I just got.
I want some.
I got this from Amazon, and I'm going to show you how little kids like this, especially kindergartens and like earlier grade kids. So I got an animal set. He's already excited. So there's an animal set. I think this is a cat. I'm not sure if this is a cat, but let's take a look. It comes with 8. So this is like a sea set. So there's a sailboat. There is a fish, a dolphin. Oops, that one came out.
I even got to see one.
Just wait, guys, just wait. Be patient. And then there is this turtle.
I like pink.
Can I see the rest, please?
Yeah.
And another dolphin. I think it's a whale. Let me see the rest, guys. Naomi, give me the rest. So this one is called. It's a puncher. So let me see yours, Naomi. No, let's see the rest. There's another sailboat and there's another penguin.
There's
and
a fishy and there's a dolphin.
Babe, look at me.
And there's
So I'm gonna show you the other types of incentive that you could give your kids during homeschool. I have a bunch of stamps in here. So I let them choose whatever they like. There's this one are just squares. But here is a bunch of like recognition on stamps. So I see dynamite. So I'll just show you the examples of stamps I have. There's, this one is about Jesus. I got these at Hobby Lobby when they were on sale, like 75% off.
Well, Mommy, when did you get these this princess one? When did you get these princess stamps?
So let's see if I can try this so you can see how it works. So example, this boat. So you just use a paper. And you're supposed to punch a hole. I think this is better for like not too much thick of a paper. Like thinner paper like this. So as you can see, it's easier to punch on paper like this. You can see. So kids like that kind of
Mommy, what's this for? Mommy, what's this for? This.
So they don't work. See, there's a turtle. So those are the puncher set that I got. And then let's try this one. So I got like, if you get some like a stamp, you would need like stamp pads. So I got 3 sets of stamp pads here. So they're getting busy here. So give me that, Abe.
Oh yeah.
Give it to me, please. So as you can see, you could also buy some refills for the stamp pads. So I'm going to show you how it works. So example for this dynamite one. Stamp it over here. My little one is copying me. So there you go. So that's dynamite. Like example, a terrific one. Terrific. I have a black stamp pad in here.
I use Mood Maid.
I think I need to refill my stamp pad for the black because it's not working very good. So they're terrific. So can you give me that, Abe? There's a lot more in here. There's cupcakes. So, good job for little kids. They like that. It's princess for little girls. So, oh my gosh. Well, this one was when I had a business.
apple.
Handmade. And this is kind of cool too. Is it? Let's see. This is the roller type of stamps. Like this week. Like goals in this week. So they're copying. So those are the homeschool video ideas just for today. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more homeschool ideas.